Hello, so we will practice how to add and subtract rational expressions. So let's say we had 3 over x squared minus 9 plus 17 over x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we want to factor out both denominators and find the LCM. So to factor out x squared plus minus 9, you might notice that here we have a difference of squares that we mentioned before, and as you might recall, this is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 3. If you don't remember how we reached this conclusion, just go back to the second video of this same chapter. And now x squared minus 6x plus 9. Here we have a little bit of more work. We need to find the a and b. So a times b must give you 9, and a plus b must give you negative 6. So we know that the only factors of 9 are 3 and 9 itself. So 3 times 3 gives you 9. But we need, if we add it up, we get 6. But we need negative 6. But we know that negative 3 squared, or negative 3 times negative 3 is 9 also. So we just found that a is negative 3 and b is also negative 3. And now we will just expand this, and we have x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. We factor out the x, so x minus 3, and here we factor out a negative 3. And now we see that we actually have x minus 3 times x minus 3, so this is just x minus 3 squared. So now, if we want to find the LCM, it's better to write this as x minus 3 times x minus 3. We see that both contain x minus 3, and so we have x minus 3, and that gets rid of this one, but we still need another x minus 3 for our second x minus 3. And then here we are still missing x plus 3, so now we multiply x plus 3. Just to make it easier, I won't distribute and expand the denominator, and so I will leave it as x minus 3, x minus 3, x plus 3. And so we know that this is x plus 3 times x minus 3, that x squared minus 9 is that. And so out of the LCM, we see that it is missing another x minus 3. So what we have to do is multiply the numerator and denominator by x minus 3. So 3 times x minus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 3. So this is just equal to 3x 3x minus 9, and just this same denominator, so here we have 3x minus 9. Now on to the second term. We have kind of a similar situation. So here we have, this is equal to x minus 3 times x minus 3. So we have these two terms, but we are still missing these two factors, but we're still missing x plus 3. So we must multiply the numerator and denominator by x plus 3. So x plus 3 right here. And then the denominator is just the LCM. And so this is equal to 17x plus 51. and just the same thing carries on, and so here we can just add 17x plus 51. And now we just add the numerator the way that just by combining like terms. So that's 20x plus 42, and we can factor this out if we wanted to. There's no need to, and we're left with x minus 3 squared times x plus 3 as the denominator. And we just added these two expressions together. And so in our next video we will learn how to subtract, but just as a brief preview, subtracting is just the same way we have done it before. What you do is you take whatever turns out to be the first term, so let's call it a, but capital because it can be just any polynomial, and then we will subtract b, which will turn out to be the second numerator. And so there's nothing special about it. What we have done up to now is just adding them because that was our operand right here. But now we will learn how to, we will just subtract them, but the procedure is exactly the same in both cases.